Well, back, Garden of Eden followers, happy Sunday to you. Hope it's treating you well. It's got to be treating you better in the last couple days because it's not raining. And hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. So I'm in mid-February here. Nothing to kill. Turkey season's still a little bit out, and garden season's still a little bit out. So the hog slaughter a couple weeks ago was like the last exciting thing for story time. So I don't really have a whole lot. But I like to show you any opportunities that present themselves, and we got an opportunity this morning, so stay tuned. So if you follow me regularly on Instagram, you know that I like to cook a little bit, and I like to use fresh ingredients whenever possible. Most of it's hunted and killed myself or grown myself, and I'll forage too when an opportunity presents itself, but I just don't have a whole lot of opportunities for that. Except today, all this rain has made some serious green onion production in my front yard, and I'm out here with a pair of scissors looking like a white trash cook, and already had a neighbor stop and ask me what the hell I was doing. So grabs people's attention. Be smart doing this. If you use a lot of pesticides and stuff in your front yard, don't go eat stuff out of it and kill yourself. But I don't, and I'm not worried about it. So I'm gonna make me a big old harvest and take these into the freezer and freeze them up. So take advantage. I mean, just green onions galore out here. That's just, I don't know. I'm just taking advantage of it. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and just cut them off at the base. I mean, that's fresh right there. Don't worry about it poisoning me because I don't use a whole lot of pesticides in my front yard. So we'll take that up and chop it up and freeze it up. So highly recommended if your green onions are taking over your front or backyard right now. So cheers. And there we go. About 10-15 minutes of cutting. A whole mess of wild green onions. And we'll chop them up and put them in the freezer for future recipes. So thank you, Mother Nature. Yee-yee.